Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed in, app updated, and on the device where sleep happens. First, open YouTube settings, then playback and performance. If you don't see it, check the app's main settings. Once there, look for auto pause, sleep timer, or background playback toggles. These are the usual culprits. Make sure to note if sleep triggers after a specific idle time or when casting, because that detail determines which setting to change next and why this step matters. Now you modify both app and device settings to remove sleep behavior. In the app, turn off sleep timer and auto pause, enable background playback if available. Then, exit to your device settings, disable battery optimization for YouTube, permit background activity, and set screen timeout longer where appropriate. If you cast, also change the TV's sleep or HDMI-CC auto-off settings. Casting can inherit TV timers. Once done, restart the app to ensure changes take effect and to observe whether the previous idle interruption. Finish by restarting both the YouTube app and your device, then play a long video or a playlist to verify sleep no longer occurs. If the problem persists, clear the app cache or reinstall YouTube. That removes corrupt settings. Make sure to test with another account or device to determine whether it's account-specific or device level. If you still see sleep, check for third-party battery savers or parental control apps. One tip: log the exact idle time when sleep happens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.